We'll see completion of the series type questions in this tutorial. We have solved some questions of CSET 2022, which is part of IS Prelims paper 2. So we'll see the solved questions. Now before I go over the questions, I'll briefly explain the types of series. Arithmetic series is actually series which has got difference pattern based on addition or subtraction. Geometric series is a series which has got difference pattern based on multiplication or division. And third one is a combination series. In this series, both these types are actually mixed. This is not a standard mathematical terminology, but here both the series are mixed and given to the candidates. So whenever you find numbers are more than say one, more than 3 or 4 terms, that means it is a mixed series. So I'll tell you how mixed series will be given. Like for example, they take 3 from the first term, then they'll take 3 and 6 from second term, then they take 5 from the first term, then take next 2 terms, that is 6 and 12 from the geometric series term, and so on. So the combination series will be very long, will have more than 7 to 8 numbers, and the pure series will have 3 to 4 terms. So this is one thing hint I am giving you to solve such series type questions. I'll erase the markings and you can see the explanation. Now we'll see the solved questions of CSET 2021. Now in IS exam, most important is understanding the question, because the language of question is generally very tough. So we'll see the question. This was asked in CSET 2021, which is part of IS Prelims paper 2. Replace the incorrect term. In the series question, most of the time you are asked the missing terms, but here they are asking incorrect term by the correct term in the given sequence. This is a given sequence 3, 2, 7 and so on, and these are the options given. Option A, B, C, D, and option A 0 is the answer. That means incorrect term should be replaced by 0. Now we'll see how. Now see the series again. 3, 2, 7, 4, 13. It's a long series, so that means it is a mixed series. But now if you see the series carefully, in continuous terms, the difference is not very regular. There's no pattern. But if you see the terms, odd and even series, I mean these terms are actually given in the question, that there's a hint given here that odd and even term follow the same pattern. So based on this, now we separate out odd and even terms. So 3, 7, 13, we all list them out here and see the pattern here. 3, then 3 plus 4 is 7, then add 2 more to 4, it becomes 13, then add 8 to 13 is 21. So every time your difference is actually increasing by 2 when you are adding the number, and we are arriving at the next term. So last term is 43 here. I'll erase the marking. Now let us see the second series. Second series is 2, 4, 2, 4, 10. Now we have been given a stipulation or a hint that difference pattern is same in odd and even series. So that means if here it is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, so similar differences are going to be here. So if first term is 2, so second term has to be 2 plus 4, 6. But here the second term given is 4. So you can straightway jump to the conclusion that there's something wrong here. And if you replace first term by 0, if you make this 0, so your next term becomes 4, and which is there in the series. Then you add similar differences here, you'll find all the terms correct. 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus, so like that if you see, you'll find that all the numbers are falling in correct place. So that means if the first term is replaced by 0, then the series becomes all right. So that is our answer, option A, 0. So we'll now see next question. In this question, a matrix is given. Now again, uh, we are not going to apply any matrix formula or operation this thing, and we have to find out the missing number in the matrix series. This is CSET 2021 question. The answers are given A, B, C, D, and our answer is 3B. Option C, 3B. Now how we have come to this answer, we'll see now. Now this is the question, and this is the missing term. Now if you see the first term, first line, 7, 10, 3. So that means 10 minus 7 is 3, and then they are using alphabets A, B, C. So here B, A. So that means C will be here. 3C is the term. Similarly, next one you see 3, 9, 6. So that means 9 minus 3 is 6, and alphabets A, C is given, B is given, so it becomes A here. So on similar lines, if you see here 10 minus 13, 10, 13, so 13 minus 10 is 3, and missing alphabet will be A is there, C is there, so missing alphabet is B. So our answer is 3B. So hope it is clear. I'll erase the markings. Read the answer yourself. Now we'll see the next question. Now in this question, two sequences are given. Sequence 1, sequence 2. Now what is the entry in place of C in second sequence? That is this place. The questions are, once again I am telling you, not very difficult, but the language is very complicated. Hints are given, but they are given in a difficult way. So you have to decipher that. So in the first sequence, all the numbers are given actually: 8, 4, 6, 15, 52.5, 236.25. And the second sequence, only first number is given. The answer options are there, and option C, 9.375 is the correct answer. So now we'll see how we have come to this answer. Now first sequence, establish the difference pattern. Here 8, 4. So 8 has reduced to half. So 8 multiplied by 0.5 becomes 4. Then 6. That means 4 multiplied by 1.5 is 6. So every time the multiplication factor is increasing by 1. Next one is 6 multiplied by 2.5, 15. So this is the pattern we have established in first sequence. Now in the second sequence, first term is given. So apply similar difference pattern here. 5 multiplied by 0.5, next term A is 2.5. Now then 2.5 multiplied by 1.5 on these lines, similar lines. So you get 3.75 as term B, and 3.75 multiplied by 2.5 is 9.375. This is our answer. So this question is slightly tricky and confusing, but as I told you that if you practice, these questions actually they need more of practice than understanding any formula or something. So hope this is clear. We'll now see next question. Now what is the value of x in the sequence 2, 7, 22, 67, and this is the x given, and options are given. Option C, 607 is the correct answer. Number looks very big, but it is actually, question is very simple. Now let us see. As I told you that try to establish pattern. So if you see the series 2, 7, 22, 67, between first two terms difference is 5, second and third term difference is 15, and third and next term difference is 45. So that means every time difference is getting multiplied by 3. It is getting multiplied by 3. So when you come to this term 202, Before that difference was 135. So 135 into 3 plus 202, 607, and this is our answer. This is our missing term. I explained you here. I'll erase all the markings. Read the answer. Hope it is clear. Now next is, again there's a missing term to be found here. This is a series given, and option C, 125 is the answer. So we'll see how we have come to this option. Now if you see the series carefully, those who are good at mathematics can immediately make out that it is actually square and q roots number. The first series is 1, the second one is 2. So 2 is, we can draw inference that 2 into 2, 4. Third one is 27, so 3 into 3 into 3, 27. So here it is 1. The first term is based on 1, second one is on 2, third one is on 3. The fourth one is on based on 4. 4 into 4, 16. So the next one, the last one will be, the missing one has to be on should be based on 5. So now see the multiplication pattern. First one is 1 into 1 into 1. Second one is 2 into 2. Third is 3 into 3 into 3. So that means every alternate term, the number is getting multiplied by itself 3 times. So here it will be 5 into 5 into 5, 125. This is our answer. So I'll erase the markings. Understand the answer yourself. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching.